Turnkey Unlocking Homeownership. The HSP Plus program is one of the 3 programs included in the Turnkey suite of products. HSP Plus was created in response to increasing housing costs and home ownership affordability challenges impacting certain areas of our district. First-time home buyers purchasing homes located in high-cost areas and counties located in non-metropolitan, difficult development areas within our 4-state district could be eligible for up to $25,000 per household in HSP Plus funds. Eligible counties are primarily located in Colorado. See a complete list of counties in the HOPE user guide or visit the Turnkey website at FHLBTopeka.com/turnkey. Other than location, HSP Plus guidelines are very similar to HSP, with 2 exceptions. Eligible homebuyers may receive anywhere from $2,500 to $25,000 in HSP Plus funding. The front ratio may not exceed 44%. Now that you know about the HSP and HSP Plus guidelines that are different, let's review some of the guidelines that are the same. Keep in mind, this training does not provide a complete review of guidelines or processes, which is why we provide the HSP Plus user guide found on the Turnkey website, www.FHLBTopeka.com/turnkey. We encourage you to reference the guide often when qualifying households for HSP Plus. The HSP Plus opens on the first Monday in March. All household members, including children, borrowing adult occupants, and non-borrowing adult occupants and their income, must be disclosed as household members. Household income may not exceed 80% of the area median income. All borrowers, co-borrowers, and co-owners must be first-time homebuyers per FHLBank definition. Non-occupying co-borrowers and non-occupying co-owners are not eligible. Mortgage interest rates must be at or below the FHLBank maximum interest rates in effect as of the date of the loan closing. A processing fee cannot be charged for providing the HSP Plus. Lender fees paid by the homebuyer, borrower, may not exceed 3% of the loan amount. Discount fees, points, paid by the homebuyer, borrower, may not exceed 3% of the loan amount. Payment of non-housing related costs as part of the home purchase are not eligible, regardless of the amount of funds the homebuyer and/or other parties contributed to the transaction. The first mortgage loan may not close prior to FHLBank approval of the reservation. Reservations cannot be transferred to other homebuyers or properties. A homebuyer education course approved by one of the organizations listed in the HSP Plus user guide or on the Turnkey website must be completed by at least 1 adult household member. Cash back at closing may not exceed $250, regardless of the amount of funds the household and/or other parties contributed to the transaction. And finally, the household is required to retain ownership of the purchased home for 5 years to avoid repayment penalties. The real estate retention agreement must be signed at the loan closing and recorded against the property. A template of the agreement can be found in the Resources section of the Turnkey website, www.FHLBTopeka.com/turnkey. It is important to note that members originating home loans in a high-cost or difficult-to-develop area need to inform FHLBank Topeka to access HSP Plus. We are excited to partner with you as you learn about the Turnkey programs and how they will be the key to unlocking home ownership in your community. We are here to help. Contact us with questions at turnkey@FHLBTopeka.com or 866-571-8155.